Hello there, my name's Rob, I'm one of the Porsche pros here at Porsche Centre Chester. There's nothing worse than it being a bright sunny day outside. You see your moment, you want to jump in your car, take it out, you blip the button and nothing happens. You blip it again and you see the red light in your key isn't flashing. How do you change the battery? Well, we're going to show you. So as you can see here, we have our car key. This is for the older style key. As you can see, it looks like this one just here. And what we've done is we've taken the bundle just off the back of it. So how do you strip it down? First of all, turn the key over, and on the back here you'll see a little slidey lever. Very easy. Slide that to the right, just pull that key out. Before you pull it all the way out though, just gently lever up, and you'll see that will release this section here. Just gently pull that open, and this is where your battery hides. So this is a CR2032. The positive goes up, and just tip it over, you can see the battery comes just out. And then when you put it back in, just gently put it down in. It will sit a little bit proud, and then just grab this key cover, that just goes in there like that, push down, and then literally just slide the emergency key just back in there. It's a little bit tricky, there you go. And that pushes in and locks. Easiest way to check it's working, just push the little button on the key, and up here there's a little red light, and that'll tell you that's all working for you.